I don't know how to get this back on now. Oh, it is back on.
Oh my Jesus,
Oh my God!
what the hell, you
Did you just spill it?
She sure did. She was like, dipped right over.
Oh, no, watch. Do this.
Oh my gosh, you guys really kind of suck. Yeah, you're getting whatever is on.
Oh, thanks, Ray. Oh, I get all the table germs now?
Yep. I washed it before.
Okay. Thanks. Do I need it all at
Would
once?
you stop spilling
It's
it?
all over the edge.
That is like not fair. Look at her amount. Oh shoot.
Yeah, see, oh, exactly.
Oh shoot.
Oh.
Maria's gonna be the one that gets stuck in it.
Wait, hold on. What are the rules?
Yeah,
You can't drink water or anything. You just have to put the whole thing in your mouth and see how. Or like, can you eat it like a little bit at a time? No, you have to like full on hold it in your mouth.
Did you say boobies?
I did. I was zooming up on your boobies.
Okay, now, why don't you start a new video now?
No, I'm good.
We're ready?
But people aren't gonna watch.
Pay attention. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, it's no cinnamony in here.
That was stupid. Why did we do that?
Another brilliant idea. Henry sure likes it. Oh no! Henry! Are you serious?
Help! Oh my God!
Okay.
What the fuck was this?